Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Welcome to my digital session, Mechanism of Sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts Acylation and Alkylations. Students, my last lectures is a mechanism of nitrations and halogenations. So today I will be discuss the mechanism of sulfonations and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylations. So first are explain is sulfonations. So the introductions of sulfonic acid group in benzene rings is called sulfonations. When benzene is heated with a fuming sulfuric acid or concentration sulfuric acids in yield benzene sulfonic acids. Okay, so the general reactions are given below. Benzene react with H2SO4 and convert to the intermediate state, and the product is formation of benzene sulfonic acid. These reactions are general reactions are given below. So the formation of electrophiles in this mechanism and the formation of electrophile. So the sulfur trioxide electrophiles arise in one of two away depending on which the sort of acid say you are using. So the concentrate of sulfuric acid contains trace of SO3 due to the slight dissociation of the acids. So fuming sulfuric acid H2H2O7 can be thought of as solutions of SO3 in sulfuric acid, and so it is much rich source of the SO3. So the sulfur trioxide is an electrophile because it is a higher polar molecules with a far amount of positive charge on the sulfur atoms. So it is which is attracted with to the rings of electrons. So mechanism of sulfonations are step first are two electrons form the delocalization systems and used to form a new bond with the slightly positive sulfur atoms. So because those two electrons are are not part of the delocalization of systems and longer, so the delocalizations is a partially broken, and this is the process the ring gains and the positive charge. Student to make the rooms for the new bond between the rings and the sulfurs to the two of the electrons joining to the sulfur to one of the oxygens are forced rings out of the oxygen atoms given in the negative charge. So, the mechanism are given below. The stage first in SO3 react with benzene and the hydrogen so on the rings in the one which was already attached to the top carbon atoms. So we needed to the so is there because it is to be removed in the second stage. So the second step is the different for the all other benzenes electrophile substitution reactions you might have the already looked at on this side. So the times there it is not separated negative ions though, so the remove hydrogen atom for the rings. So interested to remove by the long pair of the negative oxygen atoms. So step second are given below. In lone pair are donate to rings and hydrogen transfer and convert to the H2SO4 SO3H. So the lone pair form a bond with the hydrogen atoms are replacing of electron in the hydrogen to the ring bond, so that they can re-stabilize the delocalizations. Okay, and the product formation. Next reactions are Friedel-Crafts reactions. The Friedel-Crafts reactions are set of the reactions and developed by Friedels and James Kraft in 1877 to attach the subsequent to a aromatic rings. So Friedel-Crafts reactions are of the two main types, alkylation reaction and acylation reaction. Both proceed by electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So reactions are electrophilic substitution aromatic reactions. So first reactions are alkylation. Alkylation RCl, alkyl halide react with FeCl3, convert to the carbocation intermediate plus FeCl4 minus. Carbocation intermediate react with benzene, and benzene are more crowded electron, and electron are removed in a carbocations, and intermediate state are formations and bond formations, and removal of hydrogen atom, and HCl to catalyst rearrangement and convert to the product of alkyl benzenes. These reactions are given below is the alkylations of benzene. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. So the Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. So the Friedel-Crafts acylation involving to the acylations of aromatic rings and typical acyling agents, and are acylic chloride and typical Lewis acid, catalyst add acids and aluminum trichloride. So however, because the produce ketones from the rather stable complex with Lewis acid such as AlCl3, and the stoichiometric amounts or the more of the catalyst must generally be the employed. So unlike the case of the Friedel-Crafts alkylations in which the catalyst is constitutionally regenerated. So the Friedel-Crafts acylation is also possible with the acid anhydrous reaction or condition are similar to the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So these reactions are several advantage over the alkylation reaction. So due to the electron withdrawing group effect of the carbonyl groups to the ketone product is always less reactive than the original molecule. So multiple alkylation acylation do not occur. So also there are no carbocation rearrangement as the acylium ions is stabilized by a resonance structure in which the positive charge in on the oxygens. So reactions are given below are acylations reactions. Benzene react with RCOCl3 in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst, and hydrous condition convert to the acyl benzene acyl chloride या benzene acylation compound. So these sections are given below. In the mechanism of acylation, the mechanism proceeds through generations of an acylium centers. The reaction is complexes of and deprotonations to the uranium ions by the AlCl4 minus regenerated the AlCl3 catalyst. So RCOCl react with AlCl3 in the presence of AlCl3, removal of Cl minus ions and AlCl4. So carbocation species are formation. Carbocation species react with benzene and convert to the RCOH plus. So proton transfer and further AlCl4 minus Cl removal is equal to HCl. Proton transfers, and so bond formation and convert to the product of RCO C6H5s, and further RCOC6H5s react with AlCl3 and convert to the RCO positives Al plus Al minus Cl3. So react with waters and convert to the RCOCl benzenes, C6H5 RCOCl. Okay. So the Friedel-Crafts next reactions are students Friedel-Crafts de-alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylations has been the hyposynthesized by the reversible and reversible the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So the Friedel-Crafts de-alkylations alkyl group are removed to the presence of protons, and it is a Lewis acids. So the for examples is multiple additions of ethyl bromides to benzene. So ortho and para substitution is expected after the first monosubstituted steps because an alkyl groups in activating groups. So however the actual reactions are produced in the 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 triethyl benzenes with all alkyl groups as the meta substituents. So the thermodynamic reactions control make sure that the thermodynamically favored meta substitution with steric entrance minimize take over the less favorable ortho and para substitution by the chemical equilibrium. So the ultimated the reaction of product in the results of series of alkylation and de-alkylations. The reactions are begun by benzene react with CH3 CH2Br in the presence of AlCl3 and 0 degree Celsius temperature and room temperature convert to the product of formations. Our reactions is given below. Okay students, thank you.